On the bottle video, the lights seem to be going the same speed, but then you've got to remember that the scale of this is much smaller. So this is 1 millimetre, it says here, is the distance, whereas before it was an entire bottle, which shows you that we're actually recording light travelling through such a small amount of space.
And it's so slow now that our picosecond has a decimal place to the 100th femtosecond.
That's blowing my mind for a start.
When Peng turned on the laser, I didn't see anything at all. But now we can actually see how it moves. But on this scale of time, if we fired a bullet through this frame, it would take years to go from one side to the other.
And light is just gone, yep. That really puts it into perspective as well, doesn't it?
I just feel like no human should ever have seen this. It's like you're looking at the base of the universe. I've heard that in future, the Caltech team actually intends to increase the speed up to 1 quadrillion frames per second.